Good evening to all. Welcome to Sri Satya ELT. Like the video, share it and subscribe it for more interesting grammar videos. So in our previous class, we discussed kinds of nouns. So in our today's class, we discuss kinds of pronouns. First of all, what is a pronoun? Pronoun, it is used in the place of a noun. That means pronoun substitutes the noun. Very clearly, the pronoun, it is used in repetition of a noun. Very clearly, I say, a word which is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Let us see, whenever you say about a noun again and again in a sentence, you need not to repeat the noun number of times. Instead of using that noun number of times, you can use a word instead of that noun. So the word which you use instead of that noun is called a pronoun. You see, there are some types of pronouns. Let us see, what are they? Subject pronouns. These are the kinds of the pronouns. The first one is subject pronouns. So next one, object pronouns. Number 3 is possessive adjectives. And another type of pronoun is possessive pronoun. And lastly, it is reflexive pronouns. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kinds of pronouns are here. The first one is subject pronouns, object pronouns, next possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. So likely there are some other types of person or personal pronouns. Let us see what are they. First person, second person, third person. So in third person there are 2 types, male and female. Next again third person, it is used for it. And another one is in first person plural form, and in second person plural form, and in third person plural form. So let us learn about these kinds of pronouns today. Let us see, if you come to the first person, subject pronoun is I. The subject pronoun is I. So it becomes me in a object pronoun. Subject pronoun is I and it becomes me in object pronoun. And this I, it becomes my in possessive adjectives. And it in possessive pronouns, it becomes mine. And if you come to the reflexive pronouns, it becomes myself. That means I, me, my, mine, and myself. So these are the 5 types of first person pronouns. Let us see second person pronoun. You is the second person, and this you is called subject pronouns. And whenever you come to object pronouns, you, it carries as it is in object pronouns also. And if you come to possessive adjective, your, it becomes your. And yours is the possessive pronoun. And if you come to reflexive pronoun, it becomes yourself. That means whenever you take second person, in 5 types of pronouns, in first you, again object pronouns also, it is you, and your, yours, and yourself. So these are the 5 kinds of second person you. And if you go to the third person, so in third person, there are again two types. The first one is male and second one is female. If you come to the first person, you see third person male, he, him, his, himself. Once again, I repeat, third person male, you take subject pronoun he, and it becomes him in object pronoun, and it carries as his in possessive adjectives. And if you come to the possessive pronouns, it carries as it is his. Here also his under possessive pronouns. Next, if you come to reflexive pronouns, it becomes himself. So he, him, his, and himself. So these are the 5 types of pronouns in third person male. Next, again, if you come to in third person in female, if you come to a female pronoun, she is used in subject pronouns. But if you come to object pronoun, this she becomes her, and it carries as it is her in possessive adjective also. And this her becomes hers in possessive pronouns. Next, in possessive pronoun hers, and if you come to reflexive pronoun, it becomes herself. That means she, her, hers, and herself. Next, you come to third person. Here in third person, it is the pronoun. So in a subject pronoun and in an object pronoun, it is used as it only. But if you come to possessive adjectives, you use it as its, and also it carries as it is in possessive pronouns also. In possessive adjective and in possessive pronoun, it is used as its. And if you come to reflexive pronouns, it becomes itself. So again I say it, its, and itself. So these are the kinds of pronouns in it. Next, if you come to first person plural, you see in previously we learnt about first person and second person, but if you come to first person plural, so in first person plural, the subject pronoun is we, and object pronoun is us, and it becomes ours, it becomes our in possessive adjective. And if you come to possessive pronoun, it is said as ours, and ourselves under reflexive pronouns. We, us, our, ours, ourselves. So these are the first person plural types. Next, if you come to second person plural, in second person you, in second person plural also you, as it is, there is no change. Under subject pronoun it is you, and whereas it is used as you in object pronoun, and if you come to possessive adjective your, and possessive pronouns yours, and reflexive pronouns yourselves. Just I try to give difference between the second person and the second person plural. In second person, subject pronoun is you, and in plural you as it is. Objective pronoun you and in plural you. And in possessive adjectives your and in plural your. If you come to possessive pronouns, it is yours and here also in plural yours. But here if you come to reflexive pronoun for second person, it is yourself, but here yourselves, yourselves. So these are the 5 kinds of second person plural. Now finally and lastly, you see third person plural. Third person plural, subject pronoun is they. They is the plural. It is belonging to third person plural. So they. And if you come to object pronoun, they becomes them. And next, if you come to possessive adjectives category, this them becomes their. Them becomes their. Next, you come to possessive pronouns category, this their becomes theirs. And lastly, reflexive pronoun. Under reflexive pronouns, this theirs becomes theirselves. They, them, their, theirs and theirselves. So these are the 5 kinds of pronouns: first person, second person, third person. I repeat, first person, second person, third person. In third person there are 2, male and female, and again this third person, it comes under this third person. So again first person plural, second person plural and third person plural. So these are the kinds of pronouns. This is our today's class. In our next class we discuss types of pronouns. Like the video, share it and subscribe it for more interesting grammar videos.